You can pay your Philadelphia real estate tax online. It's quick, easy, and secure. But if you prefer to pay by check or money order, and if you lost your bill, you can print a payment coupon yourself. Printing your own real estate tax payment coupon online is faster than phoning the city to request a new bill. To print a payment coupon, go to phila.gov/pay. Select Real Estate. You will be directed to the Real Estate Tax Balance webpage. To find your real estate tax balance and print a payment coupon, simply enter your address in this field. The X button clears the information. Select the magnifying glass to find your property tax balance and OPA number. The full address, including the zip code and the OPA number, appears on the left. Copy the 9-digit OPA number. You will need it later to find your payment coupon. Take note of the balance due. You will also need this information later. To the right, you'll find options to pay the balance due electronically or by phone. Find out about payment agreements or print a payment coupon. Select Print Payment Coupon. You will be directed to the Department of Revenue's eFile ePay website. This site allows you to file and pay most City of Philadelphia taxes electronically. But if all you want is to print a payment coupon, search and select that option in the menu on the left-hand side. Select Print a Payment Coupon. You will be prompted to enter your tax account ID. This is where you'll need the OPA number you copied earlier. Enter your OPA number as your tax account ID in this field. Select Submit. You do not have to change any of the information on this page, unless you want a coupon for a different year. Note, you may owe real estate tax for a different year or years. Once you're sure about the tax year, select Create Coupon. The system generates a payment coupon as a printable PDF document. It includes a detachable portion with a barcode, your name, address, and other information. You should detach and mail this portion to us with your payment. We accept checks or money orders. Please write your OPA number or address on the check or money order. Note that the coupon does not include the balance due. Once you've printed the coupon, write in the amount of your payment next to Amount Enclosed. You will also find our mailing address in this portion of the payment coupon. Select the printer icon on the top right to print. You now know how to find and print a real estate tax payment coupon. If you have questions, visit our website, phila.gov/revenue. Please follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.